What's up guys and welcome back to my vlog. For today's video is I'm gonna be unboxing issues for volleyball and basketball. It is specifically the Precision 6 of Nike. Yeah, I bought this at AG Sneakers. They have their page on Facebook, and I'm not sure if they have um, shop also in TikTok or Shopee. It's your decision to scroll or to look up on the internet whether they have other stores. But for me, I have seen this on their FB page. The price for these shoes is, to be exact, 2,795 pesos, including its shipping fee. And someone posted a review on their website or the FB page that their FB page is legit, unlike any other stores, that they are just selling a top grade version of these shoes. Because my student recommended me to buy this variant of Tigers playing shoes, for it is comfortable and is an all-around shoes for sports, for basketball and or volleyball, and even for running. Ta-da! I'm usually a size 39 for sneakers for my daily shoes, but I opted to choose for size 40 because they say that it is more comfortable when you are wearing a little bit. There's a little bit of allowance in your shoes because you have to wear thick socks kasi masakit siya pag eksakto lang yung size ng shoes. And since you are doing a lot of movements when playing basketball and volleyball, so you have to have an allowance. This is the box Nike logo, and it says imported by Nike in Philippines Incorporation, 10th floor, Marajo Tower, West Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, BGC. Ta-da! And they also bastos, including a paper bag. Planet Sports. I'm familiar with Planet Sports. Planet Sports pala sila. So it is really legit. I've seen Planet Sports store in SMs. I don't know if I'm correct. Yes, when I went to Manila last year, I've seen this store, Planet Sports, and ta-da! It's so cute. It's on Panda variant. So cute. This is so cute. I want you to see the inside. See, you can really tell that it is legit by just looking at the detail of the product. May barcode pa siya. It is size 7. Ayan. This is what do you call this? Ang tawag nito? I'm not familiar with terminologies in terms of sports equipments or sports shoes. Yan. So guys, there you have it. If you are planning to buy a shoes, running shoes, volleyball shoes, basketball shoes, This can recommend you. They are really legit. If whenever you want to chat them or ask them a question, they would reply you as soon as possible. They are so swift in terms of their customer service. Ayan. So guys, thank you for watching.